Chuck, that buckwheat though. The all black is the moment right now. First meal of the day. Because my hair was so greasy, I couldn't handle it and I was getting overstimulated. We're going out to a pocha. We in Malibu. Actually, we've been in Malibu. We're going to Cinque,
and we're gonna eat.
It's right there, actually.
Good, but like also not go too crazy because tomorrow is when we're gonna go crazy. We're a woman of balance.
Yes. Yeah, get into it. Yeah. Girl, what? That looks amazing. Girl, this is also really good. Good morning, it's Thursday. This is like the day after I got my facial. My skin is glowing, girl. Literally, look at her. She's hydrated. But anyway, today's plan, we're gonna go get matcha. And then after that, I have a color analysis and I can't wait to like know my colors or like what colors work best on me, because I always see like those filters on TikTok and I try it, but I feel like it doesn't really work. Like I feel like I need a professional color person to like actually read my skin and my hair and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly get ready. I have like no makeup on right now, so I obviously need to put my makeup on and then get my outfit on and then we can go. Yay. Why does this never record? Okay, anyway, hello. We're late, but fit check. Leather jacket from Glassons from Angelica's Closet. Sweet Chillin' Baby Tea. And my Motel Rocks. Very cute. And then the bag I'm wearing. Oh my god. Go, bestie, go, bestie, go. Got a little tote bag, as usual. Anyway, fit check.
We got a little vest, pants situation.
Fire. Office siren cord.
Literally. And then the bag is Pelen, our favorite. You guys
So
have probably
cute.
seen a million of this. And we also have a bunch of other crap we're bringing with us.
Yes. Anyway, let's go to the cafe. Matcha event and they're so cute, like literally, what do you mean? And they're like making little matcha drinks and they're so fire. It's like purple sweet potato with the matcha, and then they have like these cutesy little pastries and stuff. Amazing. Guys, we're at the at Google. Oh my god, I've never been to a Google office. Like, I'm in my corporate girly era again. Yay!
I know what you been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the light, that's right. I know that you want me. Oh, I ain't no fool. We been going at it for a minute or two.
The winter makeup. Wait, I actually kind of really like it.
Now?
It looks so good. Yay! Wait, what? That buckwheat though! What the heck? This is so good. And there's like a little rice cake on it. Stop. So good. And I wasn't even recording the entire time. Girl. Okay, guys, just finished getting ready. The all black is the moment right now, as you can tell. Black Pool House jeans, black Skims top, soft smoothing. It's so comfortable, like so stretchy. Black leather jacket from Angelica because I came unprepared to this trip. And then my black little Sama Ondo bag with a little silver bunny. And she's so cute. But yeah, we gotta go because we are late. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You guys like the fit? You guys like the fit? It's all black because it's my standout color according to my color analysis. So I will be wearing more black from now on. Guys, I'm a true winter. I gotta wear black, I gotta wear berry, I gotta wear cool.
Hi guys, we're alive and well.
Yes.
No hangover.
Actually, low-key, maybe me though a little bit. I have like anxiety. Oh my god!
Like the cream? It'd be part of the thing.
Starting off the day strong with milkshakes and pie. First meal of the day, a freaking milkshake. I'm lactose intolerant, but it's fine. Sauce for this or no? You just eat it
like that. Loki, that one looked kind of good for the fries though. I think they are. I'm a ranch girly. All right, let's go.
Have you bitten into yours yet?
No. Okay, let's go.
Cheers. It's gonna be a cheers.
You actually cross arms and do it.
Oh, like the thing where they do that?
Yeah. Let's just try it. Let's just eat it. Style from my little dog.
She bussin'.
I needed this. We in Malibu. Actually, we've been in Malibu. Anyway, I don't even know where we're going, but we're on the way. Wait, it's so pretty. Let's go to the beach. Let's go away. They say what they gotta say. Have a drink. Drink.
Like,
Found a
essentially,
Bud
like,
Light.
She was living in summer, flowers in her hair. No one ever loved her.
Love that for you. Vegetables. Level 2. A little spicy, but not too crazy.
These days, it's not easy.
This is my 3rd time here, and I've only been here for like 4 days. It's that good. Boba! Again!
Girl, I just took a shower because my hair was so greasy I couldn't handle it and I was getting overstimulated. But anyway, we're going out to a pocha called Chi Chi, and it's like arcades and drinks and fun vibes. So it's gonna be really fun. I need to do my makeup and then I also need to do my hair and then we can go. But yeah, the day has been great so far. I've had literally so much fun today.
About you lately, oh yeah. You better tell me what's going on. Come on now, is you in love?
my god.
You going about your business.
Oh my god, I need to see it.
Going about your life. Ooh, 'cause you ain't got no time to wait. Come on now, so please don't waste time.
Girl, it's my last day in LA. Why am I waking up hungover for the 2nd day in a row? I don't feel as bad as I did yesterday. Anyway, it's my last day in LA and I'm so sad because I'm like having so much fun. I need to get ready. I think the plan for today, I'm hanging out with my friend from college. We're gonna go get coffee. There's this new coffee shop called Camel and I really want to try it because my friend said it was also good. And then we don't have anything planned the rest of the day, but we're just gonna be hanging out so we can just have fun and see where the day takes us. I'm gonna get ready and then we can go start our day. Yay! Okay, I'm ready to go. This is the fit. We're going very cozy today. A little Uniqlo heat tech, the little pants I bought from Brandy yesterday, and that's the fit. And I'll see you at the cafe. It's not bad. It's not bad. But if you like orange, it's good. Yeah.
man gave us a little tofu sample. I think so. Oh wait. Okay, people, we got the sundae. Oh. Cheers.
I personally think this is a great, like, healthy strawberry ice cream. Is it the best ice cream in the world? No. But it's good for being healthy and it's way better than a smoothie.
Healthy ice cream. Yes. Oh wait, this is really good. It's just literally coconut, strawberry. It's kind of fire though, and I don't like coconut. Okay. We gotta get to the airport. Yes. Bye.
Skirt.